everyone, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. So before I start my video, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Putu Suwandi Dedy Dharmawan. I'm from 6F class and English Language Education. In this video, I would like to share with you about two materials that is about narrative text and also descriptive text. These materials I use problem-based learning to support the learning activity. This materials is for 11th grade of senior high school. The first one, I would like to explain about the narrative text, and the purpose of these materials is students can know the structure of narrative text and the moral value that will get after they read the narrative text. In the learning activities, pre-activities, the first is the teacher come to the class and the teacher asks the students to pray before they begin the learning process. And the next is the teacher give an ice-breaking to the students. The ice-breaking is like asking the students to sing a song like good morning, how are you, just like that. And after the students get ice breaking, the teacher explains the materials. For example, do you know, or do you like read a story, just like that. And then after that, the students will answer the teacher. So after that, in the main activity, the teacher give the students a text about story that is about Malin Kundang in a PowerPoint. After that, the students read and pay attention to the text in the PowerPoint. And after that, the teacher will tell the students what the types of this story that shown in the PowerPoint. And after the students answer the questions, the teacher will explain more about the materials that we'll learn in the class. And the problem statement here is the first one. The teacher tells the students to find out a narrative text, especially in story. Students work with their partners to find a narrative text and find the moral value of the narrative text. Students distinguish texts that contain moral value. And after that, the teacher assigns students randomly to tell the result of their works. For example, one of the students tell their friends that he or she get Malin Kundang and the moral value is blah 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 blah, and then the other students will give an opinion and also discuss about their friends' work. That is about the main activity. And the post activity, the teacher give feedback to the students' work. It means that the teacher will conclude if the students have a good work. After that, the teacher concludes the lesson, and then the teacher tells the leader of the class to lead the way up and finish the class. Okay, and the next is about, and the second materials is about descriptive text. The purpose of this material is students can know the social function, generic structure, and language features of descriptive text. In the pre-activity, the same as before, the teacher comes to the class, and next the teacher asks the students to pray before the learning process. The teacher gives an ice-breaking to the students, and also the teacher explains the materials that will be learned in the classroom. In explaining the materials, the teacher gives the students a video about description of a place. And after that, the students try to identify a picture about a place. For example, is Tukar Badung, and the other example is about Pantai Pandawa maybe. And after that, the student describe the picture that given by the teacher. After that, the teacher give explanation about descriptive text, the social function, the generic structure, and also the language features of descriptive text. The problem statement here, the teacher tells the students to make a group. One group consists of 4 students, and after that, the teacher gives the students a picture that related with the materials. After the students make a group, the teacher will tell the students to describe the picture that given by the teacher. And after that, the teacher will monitoring the students to make sure all students participate in the group. The teacher tells the students to swipe, and after the students solve their work, the teacher will tell the students to swipe their works with other groups and find the social function, the generic structure, and the language feature of the text. And after that, after they finish to find social functions, generic structure, and also language feature of the text, students will differentiate their work with another group. And in the post activity, the teacher give feedback with the students' work. And after that, the teacher conclude the lesson. And the last, the teacher tells the leader to lead the prayer and finish the class. Okay, I think that's all about my explanation, and see you in the next video. Bye.